I just bought this 7-foot Erskine V-Type snowblower, and it's fairly rusty, so I've got the pressure washer sandblaster out, and I'm getting the rust off of it. And it's obviously in pieces. The impeller and PTO shaft are off of it. I'll take a look at the pillow block bearings and see what kind of shape they're in. So it's the middle of October. I want to get this sandblasting done outside so that I can take it in the shop and do the welding and the painting and all the getting together of the PTO shaft and bearings. Okay, we're around on the front of one of the wings, and I've got about a quarter of the inside sandblasted off. Got rid of all the rust, right down to bare metal. So, as I said, I'll be doing both of the inside of these wings right down to bare metal, and then give them a undercoat and a finish coat. So I finished sandblasting the left inside wing of this 7-foot snowblower, and got all the rust and the yellow paint off, and you can see some blue discoloration there. I think that's the metal oxidizing between the water and the air. So that took 4 bags of sand, 4 50-pound bags of sand to do the one side. So the other side will take the same. So I'll throw a couple of pictures in here. One of the left side that's already been sandblasted, and one of the right side that's has not been sandblasted yet. Finished the second day of sandblasting. I got the other inside surface of the right wing finished, and I've started on the outside of the blower. So I've got the outside of the right wing and part of the back of the blower housing sandblasted. And today it went a little quicker, so I've probably got another maybe 4 or 5 hours of sandblasting. We'll see. At least another day. I'm only doing about 4 hours a day, so another day or two. I'll throw some pictures in behind this. It's the next day, and as you can see, we've had a little bit of snow overnight. It's early in the afternoon. I'm just getting the pressure washer and sandblaster ready to go. And we'll get the outside of the left wing of the snowblower. We'll get it all blasted up today. Then it'll just be the framework that has to get done. Okay, I'm finished sandblasting the left wing of the snowblower. So all I've got is a little bit at the bottom of the blower housing where the bearing attaches there. So I finished sandblasting all of the body of the blower, and it's good to put on a base coat of paint. I'll do that tomorrow. It's not rusting that bad. And then I've just got the auger and the blower paddles to do. That won't take long. Then we'll get it all painted up and start putting it back together. All the miscellaneous pieces have been painted now with the primer coat, and now we start the process of putting it all back together. Going to change the pillow block bearings, going to put new bearings in there, have to reassemble a PTO shaft, have to refit the chute. There was a modification done on the blower that I have to take off and put the chute back on. So next process is to start assembling.